is, has the Minister made any progress in signing of bilateral agreements for the deportation of the 26,000 foreign criminals in our prisons, which represents 1 out of every 6 inmates in South Africa's prisons? Thank you.
The Honourable Minister.
Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker. Yes, I can say to the Honourable Member, just last week, that we concluded a memorandum of agreement with the government of Botswana, which provides for interstate transfer of prisoners, but, and I say but, South African legislation at this moment is prohibiting, can I say, this transfer, because we need an amendment in terms of the security cluster when it comes to Criminal Procedure Act, when it comes to the Correctional Services Act, because at the moment it states that the moment the person is arrested or sentenced, he or she must be kept in our prisons. Now, we are in the process amending that. And can I say, what I also welcome in the Binational Commission we had last week, we are setting set a deadline, but not later than May next year, to ensure that we have our house in order. I would also like to extend it to the other countries, for instance, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Namibia, and even other countries, but those are the major countries. But it is a negotiating process, and I do believe we can succeed, and then we can send, as you mentioned, 26,500, they differ from time to time, that they can be sent back to their country of origin. Thank you.